Hello, may I go to Tokyo Station?
Uh-huh.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? May we
Alisa?
Hello.
Yeah, can you help me?
may we go to Tokyo Station?
May we go to...
May we go to Tokyo Tower? May we go to Tokyo Tower? Tower.
Here you can find Tokyo Tower sightseeing information and the transit information to the nearest station.
But we are planning to use Oedo line to Daimon Station and transfer to Akabanebashi Station. Is it okay?
This is the recommended route to Akabanabashi Station.
Yeah. Yeah.
No recommendation. By walking 9 minutes.
Route to Akabanabashi Station. From Shunbashi Station, walk to Odo Line Choden Station. Please change to Odo Line at Odo Line Choden Station and get off at Akabanabashi Station.
Okay.